Hey, are you sorting the goods? What's wrong? Last time, you taught us how to use the remote speed control function of the SDVC20 variable voltage digital controller series controller. Some customers commented after watching, saying that they are now using the SDVC31 series controller. Can it achieve the same function? Sure, our SDVC31 belongs to the variable frequency digital controller series, and its wiring method is more convenient and simpler than 20 seconds. Now, I'll take everyone to demonstrate, unlike our 20s, which requires additional welding of our DV plug. Our 31 series is equipped with wiring terminals that allow for easy plugging and unplugging operations, saving time and ensuring a more stable connection. We only need to connect the 1K resistance linear potentiometer to the remote control speed control port of the controller. Now, we turn on the controller and adjust the output voltage of the controller by rotating the position or forward and reverse, thereby affecting the feeding speed of the vibration plate. In this way, even if we put the controller in the cabinet, we can easily adjust the speed. Isn't it very simple? When using the vibratory feeder bowl and controller, if you have any problems, comment on Ms. Wang and I will solve them for you one by one.